Missing notifications when your iPhone is in standby mode? This can happen if certain settings or features are misconfigured. Don't worry though, I'll guide you through the steps to fix it and make sure you don't miss any important alerts. Let's dive right into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Re-enable standby. Open settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on standby. Turn off standby. Wait for a few seconds. Turn on standby. Solution 2. Change standby settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on standby. Now from here, toggle on show notifications. Then toggle off show preview on tap on only. If it's on, restart your iPhone and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Change notification settings. Open settings. Scroll down and tap notifications. Scroll down. Tap on the app you want to receive notifications from. Toggle on allow notifications if it's off. Tap on show previews. Tap always. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open settings. Tap general. Then tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset and choose reset all settings. This will reset system settings without erasing your data. By following these simple steps, you should now be able to receive notifications while using standby mode without any hassle. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and I'll respond as quickly as I can. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one.